Hi, my name is Rico. I'm from Orlando, Florida. I'm an owner operator, single truck. It's a 1995 freightliner FLD 120. I nicknamed him Little Blue. You can see in the back of the cap. So because you gotta give him a name, that way people know what he's talking about. It's a working truck, 7 days a week. So this is not a show truck, it's a real working truck. You can see it got dents, it got road chips somewhere, it got a dent that just happened last week. 3 wheels are scratched. You can see on my chassis inside my fender, so it's a working truck. You can see the dents all over the place. Doing my best to keep it shiny and clean. That's the bad part of this. But if you got passion for this, just do it. That's the only way. Hot wheel fenders, aluminum wheel, custom made plate by Rumor Welding out of St. Cloud, Florida. Cleaner products out of Even, Time to Shine, and a lot of elbow grease. A lot of elbow grease. Passenger side is deleted. I use a refrigerator, as you can see it. So it's not pass. That's needed. That's needed. That saves my space. The dash to take the whole dash apart, paint the dash. And engine wise, it's a factory engine. It got 2,900,000 miles on it. It's front axle, air ride, 14,000 pounds car howler axle, factory bumper, custom bike by Dominguez Iron World and white beyond covers. Chassis white, all the small pieces, the engine are painted by me. I do the prep on the cap, and the blue is painted for a friend of mine in Orlando, Florida. All the small pieces and the chassis are painted by me. Working class. And we got some noise.
Train horns.
Yeah, no, I love a train horn.
Train! But that train horn was really loud.
It was really loud. All right, appreciate you.
Thank you. Keep it shine.